Okay, real quickly, just going to show you guys how to use an opacity gradient, how to put an opacity gradient on your photos. Note that this is not a smart object or any other layer, it's just a normal layer. I've opened the picture into Photoshop. Now I simply want to apply, it's actually a layer mask, so I'm going to go down here to my mask tool to add a mask, and I'm going to click on the mask tool. Notice that my mask tool is up there. It shows the link to show that these are linked. Okay, so then I'm just going to go to the gradient tool. It's important that once you select the gradient tool, you make sure gradient works on the basis of black and white. Black and white are stand-ins for none or some or whatever. Okay, so now once I have my black or white gradient, I'm just going to click and drag across it, and notice that black blocks the most, white blocks the least, and so I don't have a true black here, but I'll show you that if I did, it would completely wipe it out. Okay, so I wanted it to be there, and then of course, like any other gradient, I can make adjustments to it either way to control how much it fades or when or where. Or I can use a radial gradient as another tool. So that's the very simple method for creating an opacity gradient.